this is this is my water drop generator. It doesn't work, but maybe someone could figure something out, and I'll kind of explain this. Got the top holds water to a adjustable, whatever, goes, splits, and it drips. These things are just to hold the tube center so it falls through the first can without a bottom, which is hollow, falls to the bottom one. And they're wired up, this one to that one, this one to that one. And the spark gap is here. I'm using 2 welding rods. And also, I have my things hooked up like this. Those are the wires. Maybe they're too fat. I know thicker wire, better amperage, and lower wires faster, whatever. Okay. But anyways, maybe someone can help me. Let's see here. Show you. Okay. Oh. And that one's screwed in behind the can. That's a little computer magnet in there. Can't see that. Maybe that magnet, because there's one in there too. See that? There's also one on this side and this side on the opposite of the wall. But yeah, and I also have it insulated all on a cooler. Held in by wire, twisted through the styrofoam. They're not touching whatsoever. Tubing that has the water. These are actually aluminum, probably like 9-inch nails, but it's just taped down there to hold it kind of level, because this thing tends to want to arch instead of come and then go straight down. So if anybody can help me, please. I'm not getting anything here. Maybe we can try and move them closer. But as for it, I know getting a pretty good stream there. Maybe the cans are just too big, or the water's, I heard the water needs to be closer to the top one, but I'm not sure. So, once again, this is my setup. Please help me. Thanks, YouTube.